In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting in New Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left and click on the calendar. And then from here, you can either click on a new event, top left, which is going to open this up, or you can go and double click anywhere you want to create a new event. So I'm going to double click on over here. And as you can see, it's going to pop up the same thing. Now from here, you want to add a title. I'm going to name this one Meeting 1 like this. You want to type in your attendees. I'm just going to type in myself over here because I'm going to be the only attendee like this. And then from here, you can go and of course select the time and then location as well. And what you want to do is turn on Teams meeting. Now this is going to actually create a meeting as well. So when you click on the send button over here, you'll see that there we go. There's like the meeting. I'm going to click on it and then you can simply click on the join button and it's going to just join the Teams meeting. It's going to open it like this in a new tab over here. It's going to say join conversation and you can just click on open Microsoft Teams if you have them installed, or you can just continue in the browser if you want to as well, of course if you don't have Teams or you just want to use your browser for any other reason. So that's how to create meetings. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.